I'm the director of Center for Operational Research, and hence, I lead on the all the operational research initiatives, which includes conducting research, conducting courses such as these with my team members, and helping the participants complete the course. So this is a training course on how to develop an operational research grant proposal. And of course, we have modeled it on the sorted model, which is, in a sense, not only transfer of knowledge and skills, but also aiming at having an output. And in this case, the output is going to be an operational research grant proposal, which means that uh, the participants who come on board this particular course not only learn the principles of how to develop an operational research proposal, but we also bring in aspects of um project management, budgeting, and so on, so that it is as if you are submitting the proposal to a donor or responding to an RFP, so that this is expected to be funded. And so essentially, by the end of this course, participants should be able to not only understand the principles of developing an operational research grant proposal, but also be able to develop one based on whatever research ideas they have. Yeah, I think anybody who is working within program settings and wanting to respond to an RFP, wanting to develop an operational research proposal, which is expected to be funded by a donor, those are the people who are likely to benefit from this course. It could be public health professionals, it could be even academicians, people working as faculty in medical colleges, could be anybody who is planning to develop an operational research proposal and submit it to a donor for funding. The key goal of this course is that participants should be able to understand the principles of developing an operational research grant proposal. Not only that, if they go through the course as prescribed or as per the instructions, they will also be able to develop a grant proposal by the end of the course based on whatever research ideas they would have. So this is an online course, and it has a total of 7 modules, and each module has 2 to 6 educational units, which means each educational unit is actually a video lecture. And on an average, each educational unit would be about 20 minutes. So it's an online course, a total of 7 modules, 2 to 6 educational units in each module, and about 20 minutes per educational unit. So since this is an online course, it can be self-paced, which means that participants can undertake this course as and when they have time, at their own leisure. Of course, this is going to be offered free of cost to anybody who wants to take this course. And yeah, by the time they finish all the modules, I think after each module, after each educational unit, there will be quiz questions which people have to answer, which means participants are expected to go through all of these modules in sequence, and answer the questions, answer the quiz questions that are there at the end of each module, and complete the course. So, International Union Against Tuberculosis and Lung Disease have been pioneers in operational research capacity building. The whole model of sorted actually was developed by the union in collaboration with MSF way back in 2009. Not only the sorted, but Union has been involved in developing several courses on building capacity of public health professionals on several aspects of research, not only the sorted course, but some of the specific skills involved within research, such as data entry, using Epidata, data entry using a mobile phone, using EpiCollect, and other skills such as GIS, data analysis, scientific paper writing, and so on and so forth. And hence, I think this particular course has also been developed by very experienced faculty who've had decades of research experience, as well as experience in training public health professionals in low and middle income countries. So that experience comes through as people undertake these courses. And that's the reason I think Union is best positioned to develop and deliver these courses. This is an online course, which means, self-motivated participants can take this course at their own leisure time, at their own pace. But if organizations want to have it done for a cohort of participants and make sure that there is a clear output, which is a grant proposal developed at the end of the course, then I strongly recommend that they work with mentors. So the way it works is that every group who wants to develop a research proposal, of course, go through these modules in sequence, but also work with the mentor and develop an actual research grant proposal. And if it is in response to an RFP or in response to a donor request, then all the more better. I think in that way, people not only learn how to develop, but also actually develop one with the help of mentors. So it's more practical and we have an output by the end of the course.